Kissing your baby will change your breast milk. Do you know that motherly instinct we have of planting those kisses on our babies? Those will help in boosting their immune system. When you kiss your baby, the pathogens on her skin enter your body into your lymphatic system, which then makes antibodies which protects the babies from bugs. Do you see how beautiful nature is? Kisses can actually give your baby better health, so kiss them away. Just one thing to keep in mind, don't kiss them on the mouth. You can kiss them on their whole body.